Is the power light on your Mac Mini not turning on? Most people think their Mac is completely dead, but often it's just a small fix away. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Mac Mini power light issue, so let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check the power connection. So first, make sure the power cable is fully plugged into both the Mac Mini and the wall outlet. Try a different power outlet to rule out a faulty socket. If you are using a power strip, then try to plug directly into the wall outlet. Solution 2. Clean the power button. Turn over the Mac Mini. Now look for any dust, dirt, or debris around the power button. Simply press the button multiple times to see if it's stuck or unresponsive. Then clean the button using a soft brush or a thin cloth, and after that, press the button and see what happens. If the issue still remains, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Unplug everything. So now unplug all the USB devices, external drives, or hubs of Mac Mini from the power source. Wait 15 to 30 seconds. Next, plug them back in, and now try pressing the button again. Hope this time it works. If you're still facing the same issue, then take your Mac Mini to an Apple store or authorized service center. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and take care.